Hi, I'm Justin Pate.
And I'm John Duever.
And welcome to the Avery Dennison 2-day advanced workshop.
Held here at Miller Decals World Headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia.
And with that, let's get to an overview of this special workshop. So in this very special advanced class, John, we go super deep. We're getting very technical. We're getting into body position, thoughts and logic comes to color change and commercial, about lowering the install time, raising quality, and really just fine-tuning the game in a way that we can't do in the other workshops.
Absolutely. It's very high-level techniques. What our goal is to raise your efficiency levels in order to raise your profits levels. And we do that by going very deep into corners and color change when it comes to color change and the install of box trucks and commercial wraps specifically.
And what's nice about the workshop too is that it's very, very small. So John and I can get very hands-on, but because everyone's CWI, we really feel like everyone's at the same level, asking questions, really kind of, real world experience that's special. John and I have a lot of experience, but so do the people taking the class, and that's what's great. It's networking and also deep information.
100%. One of the greatest things about this class, besides the skill sets that you're going to take away, is the networking with these high-level installers that come from all over the country.
And what's really amazing about this workshop is the fact that it takes place at Miller Decals, our new super shop. The Wrap and Suit trailer's here, which means we have access to extra recess doors, extra hoods, doors, mirrors, all the special tools you need. So what makes that special is we can pivot on a dime, so any topic we want to go to, we can just go there. And everyone gets a free roll of film, free tools, and what's really nice is there's a coaching call about 30 days after the workshop, so all the ideas that are percolating, all the techniques that kind of you absorbed, we can talk about how that advanced and just take it to that even higher level.
Absolutely. One of the things that we have to do and want to drive home with this class is taking massive action on what we learn in this class. We're going to teach you all kinds of very high-level things. We want you to go home and practice these things, refine them, and then we jump on a call 30 days later to answer your questions. Maybe this person tried something and didn't have good success with it. Maybe this person did and they had a great success with it. We want these people to talk and converse, and then we can chime in and help you guys get to the next level again. If there's one thing that anyone knows about me, it's family time is very special. If you waste time and you're not efficient as an installer with commercial or color change, this is the class for you. That is our goal, to increase your efficiency and lower your installation times.
So we hope you can join us in September at the advanced class here at Miller Decals. Very special one.
Absolutely.
Ciao.